Hello, I've got here an Alibaba purchase from China and it has arrived today. So the parcel always has been seen by the customs office, declared, and it looks perfectly okay. So let's see what's inside it. That seems to be a nice white box and it's called Airbrush kit. I can't even remember if I ordered this. Let's look how this works. Oh, look at this. Comes with nice instructions. It's a little manual. Charming looking lady. And here is the beautiful little airbrush. So we have to find out whether this works or not. Maybe I should read the instructions, but I'm a bit pessimistic because it's in English as well. So maybe I should have a look at it. Right, so we've got this in the kit. We've got this little compression box. Looks quite neat. And probably have also some power supply, I would hope. And a table and a cube and some kind of device to hold it all. Nothing in order to clean it. Well, let's take it apart. Let's see whether we manage to use this. If it works, it'll be quite cool. If it doesn't work, then, well, I think it was £13 or so. It's not too expensive. Okay, screwing this on seems trickier than expected. Then we have a very long flimsy tube which probably goes in here. Let's see. All right, we need a power adapter. And here, well, we haven't used travel adapters for ages because these days people just don't travel anymore. Well, let's put travel adapter here. Let's power it up. Let's open this as well. And let's plug it in. So it's all a beautiful little shiny thing. And so what's next? Let's see. Oh yeah, there's some air coming out. I think let's see whether I can paint anything with this. What can we use better than maybe just a little thing itself? Right, so I have prepared here a little bit of acrylic paint diluted in water. I shall fill this in and let's put the lid on and see how I ruin the building. So there's some blue coming out. Definitely. Maybe it's a bit too liquid. It's really not very loud. And seems to spray quite well. Maybe if I open it a bit more. Actually, let's go for a little bit darker. Let's put this, maybe it's a bit too watered down. Maybe a bit more concentrated color. Maybe this will work a little bit better. Let's have another go. Let's turn the box around once more. Switch it on and well, I think for what I want to do, this seems to work quite well. Yeah, I think that's a reasonable result which I've obtained here. I will not open a nail studio or something, I just use it for my little diorama stuff. Thanks for watching.